Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are okay. Now we will solve some important exercise. Let's start. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, 5.035 nearest to 100. Nearest to 100 determine hundredths digit. Since thousandths digit is 5, we will add 1 200th digit. The result will be 5.04. Number 2, if x subset from y, then x intersect y. X subset from y means x smallest set, y greatest set. All elements in x belong to the set of y. So, x intersect y equals x. Number 3, the probability of the impossible event equals 0. Probability of impossible event equals 0. Probability of sure event equals 1. Number 4, the set of odd numbers is finite, empty, infinite set. I can't determine the largest number in odd number. Then the set of odd number is an infinite set. Number 5, 32.5 divided by 100. To divide any decimal number by 100, move decimal point to the left 2 digits. The result will be 0.325. Number 6 is the number of altitudes of any triangle equals 3 altitudes. Remember that altitudes of acute angled triangle intersect at one point inside the triangle. Altitudes of obtuse angled triangle intersect in one point outside triangle. Altitudes of right angled triangle intersect at one point its vertex of right angle. Number 7, 327.5 times 100. To multiply any decimal number by 100, move decimal point 2 digit to the right. 1, 2. So the result will be 32,750. Number 8, compare between 2 forces and half. We know that half equals 2 fourths. To get an equal fraction, times numerator by 2 times the denominator by 2. 2 forces and 2 forces, it's equal. Number 9, the radius length of the circle equals the space diameter length. Diameter double radius, diameter twice radius. Any radius equals the half diameter. Number 10, the probability of sure event equals 1, as we said before. Number 11, the probability of getting an odd number when rolling a die once. We know that all probability is 6. From 1 to 6, it's 6 probability. Odd number 1, 3, 5, it's 3. The probability of odd number 3 over 6 equals half. The length of any chord in a circle, the length of diameter in the same circle. Remember that diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Diameter chord passing through the center. So any chord less than diameter, because diameter longest chord in the circle. Number 13, phi space the set of zeros. We know that phi subset from any set, phi subset from any set. Number 14, if the set of 5 and 7 equals the set of x plus 2 and 5. Equality of two sets means that all elements belong to the first set also exist in the second set. Here is 5 and here is 5. So the second element 7 equals x plus 2. X plus 2 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So x equals 5. Complete the following. 84.67 plus 23.473. To add any two decimal number, the number of decimal parts must be equals. Here 1, 2, 3 decimal parts. Here 1, 2 decimal parts. So I will add 0. Now we can add these two decimal numbers. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Put 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7 plus 4 equals 11. Put 1 and carry up 1. Don't forget decimal point. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. The result will be 108.143. 2 nearest 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places means hundredths. 2 nearest to the hundredths digit determine hundredths digit. 3 poor number. So the approximation will be 108.14. Number 16, 3 over 25 divided by 12 hundredths. We will convert the fraction to decimal number by multiplying both of numerator and denominator by 4. It will be 12 over 100 equals 12 hundredths. 12 hundredths divided by 12 hundredths equals 1 because any number divided by the same number equals 1. Number 17, if the probability of a pupil to succeed in an exam is 8/10, then the probability of his failure is. The probability of all class equals 1. Since the probability of succeed pupil is 8/10, then the probability of the failure 1 minus 8/10. To subtract any fraction from 1, replace 1 by another fraction like denominator. We will replace 1 by 10 over 10 minus 8/10. The result will be 2 over 10. The probability equals 2 over 10. Number 18, the set of 2, 3, and 5 intersect the set of 23 and 35. Intersect means the common elements between two sets. There is no common elements between two sets. Then the intersection will be 5. Number 19, 8.3 minus 2.14 times 100. In the first, we will subtract these two decimal numbers. To subtract any two decimal number, the number of decimal parts must be equals. Here 2 decimal and here 1 decimal, so I will put 0 in this number. Now we will subtract. 0 minus 4 can't be 1, 3 will be 2, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Don't forget decimal point. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 6.16 times 100. To multiply any decimal number by 100, move decimal point to the right 2 digits. The result will be 616. Number 20, if the set of 4A and 7 equals the set of B, 5 and 7. It's equality of two sets. Equality between two sets means that all elements belong to the first set equals the elements belong to the second set. In this set, 7, cancel 7 with 7. So A equals 5. A equals 5 and B equals 4. Number 21, in the opposite figure, the length of MN. All radii in any circle are equal. So this radius will be 2 centimeter and this radius will be 3 centimeter. Note that MN is the sum of 2 radii. MN equals 3 plus 2 equals 5 centimeter. From the opposite figure, find A difference B. A difference B means elements which belong to A and not belong to B. Elements belong to A and not belong to B is 1. A difference B is the set of 1. A complement. A complement means all element inside A. All element belong to universal set and not belong to A. A complement is the set of 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5. Arrange in descending order. 0.225 and 3/8 and 3/4 and 45 hundredths. To facilitate the solution, we will convert fraction to decimal. To convert 3/8 to decimal, we will multiply both of numerator and denominator by 125. 3/8 will be 375 over 1000 equals 375,000. To convert 3/4 to decimal, multiply both of numerator and denominator by 25. It will be 75 over 100. It's equal 75 hundredths. To compare between these decimal, the number of decimal parts must be equal. Here, 2 decimal parts, 1, 2, 3. And here, 3 decimal parts, 1, 2, 3. Here, 2 decimal, so I will put 0. And here, 2 decimal, so I will put 0. It will be 450,000. Arrange descending means arrange from greatest to the smallest. Greatest number is 750,000. It's 3/4. The second number is 450,000. 450,000. It's 45 hundredths. The third number is 375,000. It's 3/8. The last number, the smallest number, is 225,000. A box contains 6 white balls, 9 red balls, and 5 yellow balls. Of all them are equal in size. If one ball is drawn randomly from this box, find the probability of getting white ball. Number of all probabilities, 6 plus 9 plus 5, the denominator will be 20. In denominator, I write number of all probability, number of all balls. White ball, 6. So the probability of white will be 6 over 20. We can simplify this fraction by dividing both of numerator and denominator by 2. The probability will be 3/10. A ball which is not yellow. Not yellow means the probability of white or red. So the probability 6 plus 9 equals 15. 15 over 20. We can simplify this fraction by dividing both numerator and denominator by 5. The probability will be equals 3/4. We finished our exercise. I hope you understand. See you in another video. Thank you.